Hello guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger. You can save videos and photos. To know how to fix or how to solve Messenger, you can save videos and photos. You should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list, you will search about the application of Messenger. Then in this page of Messenger, as of app info, we click here on force stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Messenger. You can uninstall your app. When you will wait a moment, then you can uninstall again your application, and then you can know how to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.